Hello guys and welcome back. Today we're gonna see an example of DeepSeek AI coding. Ever wondered if AI can build a WordPress plugin from scratch? Today we put DeepSeek versus 3 to the test. Firstly, we need a WordPress plugin that accepts a list of names, sorts the names, and ensures duplicates aren't side by side. DeepSeek v3 generated both the user interface and program logic perfectly. So, DeepSeek R1 took a different approach. 4,502 words of reasoning before sharing the code, but the plugin still worked. So, final verdict, both DeepSeek v3 and R1 passed. Stay tuned as we put them through more AI coding challenges. Comment below what we should test now. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.